Hello, welcome to TOYSREVIL. We'll check out the second blind box in this series. Put this at the side here. Yeah, second blind box to open with either one of these or a chase. Of course, I'm crossing my fingers it's not a repeat of the Totoro that I got in my first unboxing. Maybe I shouldn't mention all these. I'll just jinx myself, man. Anyways, time to open up. I've been opening up, and I will continue to open up from the bottom of the box as gingerly as I can. You see the foam box. Take out the foam box. I'm gonna say foam coffin. Let's just say the foam box. Interestingly, it's layers of foam that stack together and you cut up lah. First glance, thank goodness it's not the same figure, and yeah, I got a feeling it's no face. Oh, cute, man, the no face. Anyway, yeah, I should be looking at the figure and not the box design, and crossing my fingers it's not some dodgy misculpt or mispaint. And cute lah. You can see from the paint app. I'm jumping in ready, man. I'm not looking at the figure yet, but you can see the paint app is dodgy AF. But unless I'm displaying the figure from the back, I won't see it because I will be displaying it from the front. Okay lah, this is an adorable no face lah, who is knitting something, and this is the later part of the Spirited Away anime movie, where he is tasked to knit. So, and this is, yeah, maybe at this point in time I should recognize by now the paint app is not going to be perfect, but it's like a hobby sculpt and it works for me, man. Cute lah. This is the cutest no face I've seen from the Spirited Away movie. Yeah, so I place this here next to the box. Yeah. Can? Yeah, maybe I should do it like this. That makes sense? Does this make more sense? Yes, it does. Thank you for watching and liking the video and subscribing. Stay tuned for more. Meanwhile, unboxing videos all around here. Thank you for watching.